Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so wonderful. I am here, it's almost 6 o'clock, probably rather random because you're probably thinking it's so bright outside. You are right, I'm not going to bed yet, but as you can see from the title, I'm going to show you my night routine using Bondi sands. I know, little man. My son's down there having a little giggle. He's also got hiccups, so you can probably hear that in the background. You have a chat. Yeah, I thought I would do the video a bit earlier because, to be honest, any time past 7 is a no-go for me at the moment in terms of trying to film, because little man has his bath, I've got to do dinner, all that good stuff. Yeah, exactly. So today I thought I would do my nighttime routine using Bondi Sands skincare. I don't know if you've heard of that. They've just launched they've recently launched an amazing skincare range, and I always love Bondi Sands for like their sunscreen. You're interrupting my video, little man. I always used to use their sunscreen. I love their sunscreen. They do so many different varieties, but their actual new skincare regime is something else. I've been using it for about 3 months now, and I've only just got around to properly filming this video because I'm a busy woman, I'm a new mum. So, what, are you coughing now? What is going on? What is going on? So, I'm just going to get started because otherwise little man's going to distract me, as he already is, so apologies for that. I have 3 products of theirs. So I have the Bondi Babe Clay Mask, which I'm going to use today. You don't use this every single night. I use it probably 2 or 3 times a week, depending on how my skin is. I also have the Thirsty Skin Hydrating Serum, which has alright, a hyaluronic acid in, which looks like this. And I also have their Sweet Dreams Night Moisturiser. So I have no makeup on, I didn't wear any makeup today, so it's quite easy. I'm going to just put the clay mask on. I probably will scare the living bejesus out of RJ. Let's hope he doesn't cry when he sees this, because normally he's asleep when I put it on. But right, let's get into it. So what I would normally do, so you apply it to dry skin. I would never apply a clay face mask to wet skin. It's illogical. And you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Because we're going to whiz through this bit and there's not going to be any talking, I just want to show you how I do it. So I take a brush because, to be honest, I find using your hands really messy and I hate it. And normally he wants something, so if I can use a brush, I can quickly put it down, sort him out, fix myself, if you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do is pop it on this brush. And I take a good amount, because you've got to put an even amount on your face. And I literally just, you know, paint my face. Like so. I'll just show you in the light because the lighting keeps flicking in and out here. So using a brush, I managed to get like a really even layer, which I love. Missed a bit there above this eyebrow. There we go. So now I'm just going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I just wash it off with a flannel. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. So that's the face mask off. My skin feels so much tighter. It just looks so much clearer and refreshed. And now to do my serum and cream. So now I'm going to go in with my Thirsty Skin Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is what this bottle looks like. I love this. I think I'm almost out. So I definitely need to invest in some more because I think this is such a winner product. I love it. It says on the back, apply 2 to 3 drops. So Clearly a little definitely goes a long way. 1, 2, 3, and then rub it into my hand, and I just gently rub it into my skin. You can use your gua sha as well if you wanted to. It just makes your skin feel a bit tacky and just all round lovely, like so. And now finally, to go in with Sweet Dreams Hydrating Night Moisturiser. And this is what the bottle looks like. I love this night cream. To be honest, previous to this, I don't think I had one dedicated like night cream, but I think this is just wonderful on the skin. And then again, take an ample amount, like a large pea size, and just rub it all in. And that, my lovelies, is my nighttime skincare routine using Bondi Sands, and I love it. So yeah, I'm now going to sort the rest of my evening out and get some much needed beauty sleep, if that one lets me. So yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. I will link everything that I've spoken about in the description below. This is not an affiliated or a sponsored video. The products were gifted to me, so thank you so much, Bondi Sands. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.